Good morning, everybody. Market situation update. Welcome back. It's Tuesday morning today. We got the Canadian Japanese yen coming up after getting a rejection off of 90.17, the support level that we advocated for. And we are in a pretty good position right now. If you remember, we were on it when price action made that quick turnaround, that huge U-turn, and managed to stay above 90.17. That's when we came here and we started to talk about it. We actually pulled the trigger immediately the first time, right? Later on, we decided that it's time to double up. So we did. We loaded up another trade, throw it in another 10K. We were at 20K at that point. Yesterday, we did lose some sleep here over this downside push, right? So that was a little bit concerning. We did trust 90.17 to be able to handle it, which it did. So price action came off, touched base. As it did, it got pushed back pretty significantly. Actually ended up positively. That's a very powerful sign, guys. Check it out right there, 90.17. What a powerful support. We've seen it in action on that crazy day, of course. So now we suspect price action is on its way towards the previous highs. So 91.55 is going to play an important role here because that's the next big resistance level. I do believe price action can go beyond. It might stall a little bit here, and later on I think it's going to try to chase the previous high. So now we're talking about 92.20. 92.20, so about 65 pips of price extension off of our original profit target. I'm pretty sure it's going to be our final destination. I'm just giving you a little bit, I'm trying to give you the full picture, but 91.55 will be our price target, official profit target. All right. Now we're running $30,000 position because we just a few minutes ago, I think it was about an hour ago or maybe a little bit more, we pulled the trigger the third time and we pushed this position to 30K. Alright, there's enough distance to the target, I believe, to push in another trader, maybe even two, maybe even a couple more. So hopefully we're going to smash that target with 40-50K. That's going to be a good move for this particular bullish campaign. Right now, I would describe it as halfway through. We're literally halfway in the middle of the range between our first entry and our profit target, 91.55. Stop loss level had been adjusted just before we wrap. Let's talk about that. 89.70 right now. Still hiding below 90.17 for protection. We've seen what happened yesterday, so we're going to keep this protection active. That's about that. Canadian Japanese yen. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be back to follow up and we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye. Moving on to the next video, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to be mostly analyzing the Litecoin. So that's what's coming in the next video. See you there.